Hello, thank you for joining me. Today I'll be walking you through an app demo that my group and I designed for Third Place Books. Right away, you're able to see here on this login page of how our group actually decided to give Third Place Books a simple yet refreshing brand redesign, as well as an attractive color scheme. So once the user logs in, they're prompted to a page that allows them to either import their Facebook data or continue without Facebook. If they choose to import with their Facebook data, it just allows the algorithm to have more data to work with later on down the path and simply allows the user to log in quicker. Once the user is fully logged in, they are first taken to the Explorer page. This page has a list of recommendations of books specifically tailored towards the user. This recommendation is run by different algorithms set in place to tailor these set of listings towards the user's likes. Within each listing, the user is able to see the title page, of course, the title, the author, the price range that they can find this book for, the genre, and the distance of where the closest location of where they can purchase this book. So this could be either a person or it could be a physical store. And then lastly, there's a heart button. This heart button, it gives the users the ability to like and unlike certain books. Once they like it, it is then sent to a stored favorited list page here in the heart section, in the like section. We'll go there next. So in the favorites page, it is just a list of all the books that the user has currently liked that they want to save for later. Maybe they don't want to forget about it, or maybe they want to tell a friend. Additionally, this microphone feature tells our user if this book has an audio version of the book to purchase. If they're interested in the audio version and they want to buy it, they simply click on the book listing, they purchase the book, and once they do, they simply purchase or they simply click the microphone icon, which then takes them to a screen where they can hear the audio recording of the book. From here, our user is also able to search through our search bar. They can either search for a specific title of a book, or they can search through different genres. Once our user chooses a particular genre, they're able to scroll through yet another set of listings of different books, again, with the same information. Once find a book that they're interested in, they simply click the listing to where it takes them to a page that has all sorts of information about the book, such as where the nearest location is of this copy, the ability to purchase the book, a short description, as well as the number of people that they're connected with that have also liked the book, as well, and then finally, as well as the number of just total people, the total users on this app that have favorited the book. This kind of gives our users a general range of likability of the book. Maybe it's popular, maybe it's not. Next, we'll go into the interactive map. So this interactive map is essentially a algorithm that geographically places all of our users that have this app of that their bit emoji if they are selling a book at the time. So specifically, each of these users represent people that have this app that are selling or loaning a book of any particular type currently around this area that the user has zoned in on. From here, the user is able to click onto any tab of their liking to specifically browse the genres to see what's kind of around them, what's nearest to them. The first tab is just a browse button to where it showcases all of the users, as I previously mentioned. From there, they simply click on each of the tabs until they find one of their liking. Let's say that our user either knows Liam or thinks that Liam is the closest person to our user that's selling a book in fantasy. If they're interested and want to know more about who they are or what books they're selling, they simply click on the user's icon and it takes them to a screen with their information. Here on the top, it tells our user the number of friends they have, the number of mutual connections that they have, their basic contact information. And here on the right side of the screen, it gives our user the ability to either add them as a friend, direct message them, add them to a group, maybe a book club or something of that nature. And then at the bottom, it tells our user what books that they're currently selling and even what types of books that they're interested in. Finally, our profile page of the user is found on any screen on the top right corner with a picture of their profile. From the top, this profile page gives our users the ability to directly edit their profile to whatever they want. They can view their number of friends, they can access their inbox, see their basic information, of course, see their interests in genres so far, as well as add different interests. This could be pivotal to the algorithm, as it gives the algorithm a better method for better and stronger recommendations for different books, as well as finally stating the current books that they're selling and then the current books that they're reading that other users can see.